Thinking about upgrading your kitchen and cooking healthier meals, but not sure which air fryer to buy? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers. Powerful, multifunctional, and perfect for oil-free cooking. Whether you want crispy French fries, roasted chicken, or quick family meals, we've got you covered. Stay till the end and find out which one is perfect for your kitchen. Let's go. Item number 5, introducing the Rooney T3 5L Smart Air Fryer. This high-performance, family-size air fryer combines power and convenience with 450 watts heating and a 220-240 volt voltage range. With a 5-liter capacity, it's perfect for frying, roasting, and baking your favorite meals oil-free. The WOS intelligent temperature control ensures precise cooking from 80 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius for up to 60 minutes. Built with high-quality materials and scientific construction, it also features a silicone nonstick coating, touch control, and visible window for safety and easy cleaning. Certified with CE, CB, LVD, EMC, and ROS, it's a reliable choice for every kitchen. Item number 4, introducing the Balashov 12L Electric Air Fryer. Perfect for families of 4 to 5, this oil-free fryer combines convenience and performance. With a touch control interface and intelligent temperature regulation from 80 to 230 degrees, you can fry, bake, and roast effortlessly. Its 10 to 12-liter large capacity and 360 degrees circulating hot air ensure even cooking without flipping. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a visible window, it's safe, durable, and easy to operate. Certified with CE, rated 1350, and compatible with 111-volt 240-volt, this multifunctional home appliance is ideal for modern kitchens. Item number 3, introducing the XMSJ8L Smart Air Fryer. Perfect for family meals, this oil-free fryer features 1400 watts powerful heating and fast 360 degrees hot air circulation for crispy, delicious results without fat. With an 8-eel large capacity, it can cook up to 2.5 kilograms of chicken at once. Made from food-grade BPA-free stainless steel and equipped with an LED touchscreen and transparent window, it's safe and easy to operate. Featuring 8 preset cooking functions, dishwasher-safe parts, and a power-off memory function, this multifunctional air fryer makes frying, baking, grilling, and roasting effortless and healthy. Item number 2, introducing the Ilho YC JD03A 3.2-liter Smart Air Fryer. Perfect for healthy oil-free cooking, this multifunctional electric fryer uses 360-degree circulating hot air to evenly cook ingredients while quickly removing excess grease. With a 3.2-wheel capacity, it's ideal for small families or quick meals. Enjoy crispy, tender food without any oily feeling. Designed for efficiency, this home smart air fryer lets you fry, bake, or roast your favorite dishes with ease, saving time and keeping meals delicious and healthier for you and your loved ones. Item number 1, introducing the XMSJ10L Smart Air Fryer. Perfect for families, this multifunctional air fryer combines 1700 watts powerful heating with 360 degrees hot air circulation to cook your favorite meals crispy and tender with little to no oil. With a 10.2 QT capacity, it can fit a 6 to 10 pounds chicken, 10 to 14-inch pizza, or 600 to 1,000 gram French fries. The LED touchscreen, one-touch cooking programs, and temperature control make operation easy. Made from stainless steel with a non-stick basket and viewing window, it's ideal for healthy cooking and fits perfectly in any kitchen. Which of these air fryers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.